Please watch this video till the end. This is not our regular content, but an important message from one of our respected doctors and relationship counselors, Professor Dr. Radford Clifton, for women who want to keep their marriages strong and make their husbands always excited to come home, connect deeply, and be intimate with them. This advice is based on a real research study conducted by our LoveTalk Media counselors, gathering honest confessions from men across all walks of life, the wealthy, middle class, and working class. Surprisingly, no matter their background, they all shared the same secrets. Some men might never be bold enough to tell their wives these truths, but on behalf of men around the world, we're giving them to you for free, to save marriages and relationships. So, ladies, please watch to the end. Every secret matters. Secret 1. Keep the spark alive. Ladies, remember how you looked before marriage? You dressed attractively, styled your hair, wore makeup, and even bought sexy clothes just to catch your man's attention. You took care of your body, shaved, stayed clean, and did those little things that made him desire you constantly. But after marriage, many women stop doing these things, and that's where the problem begins. Your husband still wants you to be that attractive, exciting woman. Even the most spiritual man, bishop, pastor, or religious leader, still loves a wife who keeps the fire burning. Don't dress like an old-fashioned grandma at home. Take a shower before bed, brush your teeth, keep your intimate area fresh, and invest in sexy, comfortable nightwear. Surprise him, touch him, and flirt with him, even when he's not expecting it. One man said, "Bad hygiene during intimacy kills my desire instantly." So keep things fresh and exciting, and watch the difference it makes. Secret 2. Smell irresistible. Scent is powerful. Use a nice perfume, roll-on, or body mist. Fresh scents naturally turn men on, and yes, men, this goes for you too. Dress in a way that excites him, maybe a dress that shows just enough to tease his senses. Remember, men are visual creatures. And in the bedroom, don't be boring. Spice things up. Try new positions, touch him, whisper, moan, and show him you enjoy it. Sometimes you should initiate intimacy. Don't always wait for him to make the first move. Drag him into a corner, give him a kiss, or tell him directly what you want. Communicate your desires and be open to exploring new experiences together. Secret 3. Respect and submission. Respect is a man's love language. No man wants to feel disrespected, regardless of his education or status. When we talk about submission, it's not about slavery. It's about recognizing your husband as your leader and partner. You speak to your boss or pastor respectfully. Why should your husband be treated with less honor? Respect him, listen to him, and support him. If you can't respect a man, don't marry him, because disrespect will destroy your marriage. Men thrive in peace, not chaos. Create a peaceful home, and he will naturally want to be around you. Secret 4. Appreciation. Many women forget to appreciate their husbands. Yes, providing for the family is his duty, but even God loves to be thanked. When you show gratitude for the little things, it encourages him to do more. Appreciation makes a man proud to be your husband. Stop focusing only on what he's not doing, notice what he is doing. That's one of the reasons some men get distracted by other women. They go where they feel valued. Appreciate, respect, and love your husband, and watch how he becomes more devoted to you. Welcome to LoveTalk Media, where we share the secrets and truths for a happy, lasting marriage. Love letter. If you need private counseling, comment below and we'll send you our email address. Loudspeaker. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. You could save someone's marriage today. For partnership inquiries, simply comment partnership and we'll respond. Stay tuned for our next life-changing episode. We love you. Heart.